Hey, Sound Pontoons. We've got a Sweetwater Pontoon here. This is a 20-footer, 8.5 wide, big, comfy boat. It's a 2006 model year, which means the furniture is still in good shape. They've done a good job of covering their boat when they're not using it. But this carpet, it's the pattern, textured, thick, stained. It's worse in certain spots. The wear on this stuff, if you look inside here, you can see where people have sat over the years. And then if we look closer to the seat, we can still see the texture of the carpet. But because of the way that this goes and the way it wears out, we lose the pretty effect that it had at the boat show. And now it just looks used and abused. So, new tan woven vinyl flooring is going on this. We're gonna update it. We're getting rid of these top mounted navigation lights, putting some side wall mount LEDs on, and we're gonna do a Power Bimini top on this boat. Excited to show you how that goes and how easy those are to operate and install. We'll check back on this boat when we wrap it up and show you what it looks like after a refresh. It's not an old boat. It's got a 4-stroke motor on it. It doesn't need a whole restoration necessarily, but it just needs some updating, and that's what we're gonna do. This boat is all wrapped up. Customers on their way to pick it up. So we're gonna do a quick walkthrough, show you what we did, starting with the flooring. This was the big project on this boat, was new deck boards, the marine grade treated plywood from PontoonStuff.com. And this is the tan woven vinyl. So we call this a standard tan, but you look inside and it is beautiful. It flows nicely, matches up with different shades of tan and beige and ivory. Really sharp look. The other thing we did just on the outside here, new cleats, stainless steel, and new wall-mounted LED navigation lights. It already had the nice inset docking lights, so we just tied it in, made it look more modern with the LED wall-mount nav lights too. Let's jump in and show you the inside and the Power Bimini that we put on this one. So as you can see, we reused all the interior. It's in nice shape, they take good care of it, but they wanted the deluxe Bimini option, which is a Power Bimini top. This I can operate from a switch at the dash. If you live on a lake where you've got a bridge you gotta go under, or bridges, maybe it's a chain of lakes, and you don't wanna wrestle with a Bimini top in the wind or up and down constantly, this is the solution for you. But that's how quick and easy it is to put my Bimini top up and keep cruising. Likewise, I can tip it right back, put the boot on, and stow it away. Really neat feature for upgrading your boat, especially if you hate wrestling with your Bimini. Take a look at these at PontoonStuff.com. That is a wrap on this boat. We're gonna get it home to them. Unfortunately, it's going into storage for the winter, but they'll enjoy it next spring, I guarantee it.